which is only about 2 or 3 miles from Warkworth where we last were. Just take a quick walk through the village, show you around, and then get down to the beach and show you what the beach is like here as well. It's just amazing today, absolutely perfect. So this is the main street. Morning, you're right. Just a small place. Again, there's a few kind of bed and breakfasts here and little pubs, you know. Some people like to come and stay for a night or two over the weekend. A lot of tourists get up this way. We've got a haunted hotel here. Didn't even know that was there. Is that the sun? Is that the sun as well? If you want to come and have a haunted night, that's the schooner, that's it. Schooner. Just a little church at the top here. As you can see, it's just a really, really quiet little village. Gift shops, tea rooms, all this type of stuff. It's got the river as well, which you can see. I'll show you when we get down to the beach. Little deli here. Scots. Stuff you can take to the beach if you want. I think it just goes up the top here. What's this place? Is that the red line at the top? The old traditional phone box. Ah yeah, red line. Little post office across the road. Morning.
Morning.
Everyone's quite friendly. So that's a red line just there. Hopefully I'm going to beat the crowds today. There's another tea room, cosy tea room. Morning. We've got another hotel, restaurant, Whittling House. So that's quite a few little things. Ah, here's the sun. I knew there was a sun here as well. There seems to be a sun in everywhere you go. People on the way to school, look, beat them. I want to open accommodation. Crossover. Dog friendly as well, look. You have to come up here with our dog. Look at that. A little menu for you. You can order online as well. Seems to be a thing in the pandemic at the minute. Which is understandable, businesses need to run. And then there's a serviceman's club across the road. And then the road loops back round here, so this is where I just drove down towards the beach, and there's a golf club down here. I used to be a member of the golf club up here. First ever golf membership I got, I think, was £5.50 for the year. Didn't have to pay anything more after that. I was just a junior, of course. But I'm sure it's England's oldest golf club or something like that. Correct us if I'm wrong, but I'm sure it was. I don't know why it's just come back to us for some reason there. Like I say, I could be totally wrong. It's just a 9-hole club, but I used to love playing here. I used to come up here on a Friday night with my friends once they'd learned to drive, and just hit away. You can see in the distance again you've got Amble Lighthouse. But this year, you say it's only 9 holes, the one goes right up the bank, right up the hill somewhere over there. Used to love teeing off from there, massive elevated tee. So up there, just get my finger here, there's a tee up there and you tee all the way down. I used to love that hole. Always used to get in trouble because I always used to nearly hit somebody on the way past. Someone in a buggy, I think. It was always the club captain, it just happened to be. But this is down towards the first tee in the clubhouse. People can tee off here, I think. Look. Perfect morning for it. See, it's not a pick a breeze. You might catch these teeing off. Morning.
Morning.
Lovely morning for it. Perfect. Yeah. So yeah, we'll go to the beach. I've never actually really been to Alnmouth beach before, come to think of it. I'm taking you, but I don't think I've actually been. But it's right on the River Allen, feeds into the sea. It looks like it's, I don't know, there's a bit there the day. But I mean, God, it's just a lovely stretch. Drawn out here somewhere. There's nobody around. A couple of people walking their dogs and having a walk, but again, look at this. Just beautiful sand. And here we'll go, just nice stretch of beach. And this goes all the way down to Warkworth, I believe. So all that way down there where you can see all the dunes, that's back towards Warkworth. Don't know if you can walk all that way, but it's a nice stretch, was left that prime Marnie special as an hour. And so there you go. One of the oldest 9-hole golf links courses in England, so I wasn't far off. So yeah, if anyone's lost their shoes, they're at Alnmouth Golf Club.